Got a CDQ file from a media cataloging project? This is an index file from the Blue Mirror DVD and CD indexing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Blue Mirror DVD-CD indexer files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic CDQ corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. CDQ files are catalog index files created by Blue Mirror DVD-CD indexer software used to catalog and organize media collections. They contain database entries with disk titles, file listings, metadata, and search indexes enabling users to locate content across large DVD and CD collections without inserting individual disks. CDQ files use a proprietary database format specific to Blue Mirror indexer storing structured catalog information about media disks. The format includes disk identifiers, directory listings, file metadata, custom tags, and search indexing data designed for fast lookup and browsing of indexed media collections. The designated application for the CDQ file is Blue Mirror DVD Car CD Indexer from open source. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows provides limited insight, so these files are most useful inside the program that created them. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the CDQ file and select Open With. Test Blue Mirror DVD-CD Indexer if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the CDQ format uniquely. If the CDQ file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in Blue Mirror. Install Blue Mirror DVD-CD indexer software and use File then Open to load the CDQ file. The application displays the catalog with all indexed disks and files, allowing browsing, search, and management. This is the primary application supporting full functionality for accessing the catalog database. Next, exporting catalog data. Within Blue Mirror, Indexer use export functions to save catalog data as CSV text or HTML format. Exported data can be opened in spreadsheet applications, database tools, or web browsers, providing alternative access methods. This enables sharing catalog information with users who don't have Blue Mirror installed. Finally, trying alternative catalogers. Migrate to alternative disk cataloging applications like Kathy Where Is It or VVV by recreating catalogs from original disks. While direct CDQ conversion isn't typically available, these applications provide similar functionality with active development and modern compatibility for ongoing media collection management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.